5 things you should know before installing downlights. First, choose the right type. There are 2 main types of downlights, recessed and surface mount. Select the one that fits your interior design and how the space is used. Second, ceiling height and spacing. The rules of thumb: light spacing equals ceiling height divided by 2. If your ceiling is 3 meters high, space your light 1.5 to 2 meters apart. Third, calculate the brightness needed. For example, a 12 square meters kitchen needs around 2,400 lumens. If one downlight gives 400 lumens, you need 6 lights in total. Fourth, choose the right color temperature. Warm white, ideal for bedrooms. Cool white, perfect for workspace. Daylight, great for kitchens or general use areas. Fifth, safety comes first. Always choose certified lighting with product warranty and reliable after-sale service. Plan wisely before installing downlights. It helps you save on electricity and overall budget. Choose high-quality downlights from LeKise. LeKise Innovative Light for Life.